please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video.